As America celebrates 250 years of history, progress, and opportunity, we are reminded that the future is built by those willing to invest in the next generation. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand and direct your attention to the Southern Regional Technology Center for the National Anthem. In the fall of 1966, Columbia State welcomed its first students as Tennessee's first community college. Just months later, on March 15, 1967, President Lyndon B. Johnson and First Lady Lady Bird Johnson came to Columbia to dedicate the college's new campus. Mrs. Johnson shared these words.
When a Columbia Community College rises from a once empty field, this country expands, not outward, but upward. That steady, hopeful sound is the new beat and rhythm of our land. And I'm honored to dedicate this college, to dedicate it forever to the service of the people and the progress of the nation.
"60 years later, more than 27,000 alumni representing one college, serving 9 counties, and generations of students, families, and employers have been impacted by the reach of Columbia State. Our success has always been rooted in partnership. Together with schools, businesses, industries, and community leaders, we are connecting communities and creating opportunities across southern Middle Tennessee. Those partnerships made this moment possible. The Southern Regional Technology Center was created through collaboration among Columbia State, TCAT Hohenwald, TCAT Pulaski, community leaders, and industry partners. Built by Hoare Construction, sponsor of tonight's drone show, this facility will serve as a regional hub for workforce training, education, and economic growth for decades to come. Inside these walls, students will prepare for careers that strengthen our communities. From automotive technology and welding to HVAC and skilled trades, students will develop the expertise employers need and communities depend upon. Innovation begins with education. Engineering systems technology students will gain hands-on experience with the advanced systems and technologies that power modern industry. And our health sciences programs will equip future healthcare professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to serve our region. Whether you're a high school student, an adult learner, or someone ready for a new career path, your future can begin here. Discover your next step. Build your future. Now, we proudly celebrate the opening of the Southern Regional Technology Center. Beginning Monday, the classrooms will fill, the labs will come alive, and the next generation of skilled professionals will begin shaping the future of our region.
It's a celebration. Celebrate good times. Come on. Let's celebrate. Come on now.
And tonight, you all are part of that future. Thank you for celebrating this historic milestone with us. Together, we've honored 60 years of Columbia State, celebrated America's 250th anniversary and looked ahead to the opportunities waiting for future generations. Because of your support, the future is bright, and it's being built right here.
Oh, beautiful, our heroes proved in liberating strife. Who more than self their country loved, and mercy more than life. America, America, may God thy gold refine till all success be nobleness and ever again divine. And you know, when I was in school, we used to sing it something like this. Listen here. Oh, beautiful, far spacious skies, far amber waves